If you are really looking for a powerful leaf blower, snow blower, then this is the one that you need to get it. You know, you got these things, you can add it if you want to. You know, it's super portable. It comes with the 20-volt lithium battery. You can get with the double batteries. The charger will be included. I didn't bring it here. Look at this. Action speaks louder than words. Yes, guys. No any hassle. Easy peasy. Get the job done. Super powerful. I have dropped down the link. Hit the link and grab it. Once again, guys, look at this. There you go, guys. This is the product that you need. Get yours.